Scientists have told us for over a century that the speed of light is the absolute universal speed limit. Nothing can go faster. But today, I'm going to show you a loophole so insane that it lets you beat light itself, using the most dangerous object in the universe, a black hole. We will fly into it, pass through a hidden tunnel in space-time, and come out light years away, before the light from our departure even arrives. This isn't fantasy. This is what general relativity actually allows.
Buckle up, we're going in.
First, let's understand why everyone says faster than light travel is impossible. Einstein's special relativity, 1905, tells us that as you approach the speed of light, time slows down, your mass increases, and you need infinite energy to reach c. But that's only in flat spacetime. In 1915, Einstein gave us general relativity. Gravity is the curvature of spacetime. Massive objects warp the fabric of reality, and black holes warp it to the extreme.
Inside rotating Kerr black holes, we have the Ergosphere, where space-time is dragged so fast that everything must move faster than light relative to distant observers, the event horizon, a one-way door, possible Einstein-Rosen bridges or wormholes that could connect distant regions of space or even different times. Not all black holes are equal. Stellar mass black holes will rip you apart via spaghettification. We need a supermassive rotating Kerr black hole, millions or billions of solar masses. Examples: Sagittarius A star, our galaxy, or M87 star. The bigger the black hole, the more time you have before tidal forces destroy you. Step 2. Prepare the technology. Negative energy/exotic matter to stabilize the wormhole throat. Casimir effect on steroids. Advanced Alcubierre-style warp bubble as protection. AI navigation that can calculate Planck scale physics in real time. Step 3. The approach and Ergosphere maneuver. We slingshot around the Ergosphere using the Penrose Process. By dumping waste mass in the opposite direction of the black hole's spin, we extract rotational energy and get a massive speed boost for free. Step 4. Entering the wormhole. Inside the black hole, before hitting the singularity, we thread the wormhole. One mouth stays near the black hole, the other is placed or naturally appears near our destination. You cross the throat. From the outside, it looks like you disappeared. From your perspective, a few hours or days of travel. Step 5. Outrunning light. Here's the magic. Because of extreme gravitational time dilation, years or centuries can pass outside while minutes pass for you. Combined with the spatial shortcut of the wormhole, you can emerge at a distant star system before a light beam traveling straight from your starting point arrives. You didn't violate relativity. You used space-time engineering. Let's be brutally honest. This is terrifyingly difficult. Tidal forces and radiation near the horizon. Wormhole instability. It could collapse and crush you into a singularity. Causality violations. You could create paradoxes. Grandfather paradox. The Hawking radiation problem and information paradox. You might exit in the wrong universe or wrong time. Scenario 1. Rescue mission. A deadly supernova is heading toward Earth. We fly into a black hole and deliver the warning decades before the light arrives. Scenario 2. Colonization. Humanity builds a permanent wormhole highway between Earth and habitable exoplanets. Scenario 3. Time travel. Using a carefully positioned wormhole near a black hole, you could travel to the past, but only to the moment the wormhole was created. So, can we actually outrun the speed of light? In normal space, no. But by bending spacetime with black holes and wormholes, the laws of physics say yes. The universe doesn't forbid faster than light effective travel. It only forbids it in flat, boring space. Black holes are the ultimate cheat code of the cosmos. The speed of light is not a wall, it's an invitation to become smarter than the universe itself. Thanks for watching my video on the Cosmo Dream channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.